Hey, it's Shai Sarai, and welcome to another vlog. It has been a long time, like 4 months, but I wanted to bring you all along with me downtown. We are all parked and heading over to the Skyview Observatory. Now, the observatory just so happens to be located at 700 4th Avenue, so I figured it would be the perfect place to celebrate reaching 700 subscribers. I really appreciate each and every one of you taking a little bit of time out of your day to subscribe to me and staying subscribed. So thank you so much. I have actually never been here myself, so we'll get to experience and hopefully enjoy it together. So the observatory is on the 73rd floor of the Columbia Center here. This building took just 3 years to complete. It opened in 1985. We will be 900 feet up in the air with a 360-degree view of the city. Okay, let's grab these tickets. Check out the elevator we're going up in. Okay, so after about a 60-second elevator ride, we've made it to the top of the Skyview Observatory. Let's take a look around. Lots of infographics everywhere. And yeah, like even though I'm a local, I am learning a couple new things. Like I didn't know the term flying saucer came from us. But let's step over here and take our first look at this view. Wow. Lake Washington in the distance there. The Ferris wheel. Now to the right, you can see one of the many cruise ships that pass through here. And you guys should check out the Your Favorite Couple YouTube channel. They just did a video on embarking from Seattle. We have a close-up of the ferry and islands here. Oh my gosh, so cute. They have a model of the observatory. This is the building we're in right now. All right, so there's a small Skyview cafe and bar up here with about 9 food items. Plenty of seating right by the windows. We have the Seahawks Stadium on the left, and this body of water here is Elliott Bay. Okay, so thoughts. I love a fantastic view, so I would definitely rate the experience at least a 3.5 out of 5. There are some wonderful sights across the water and city, and it was really chill and quiet up here on a weekday afternoon. But there were definitely clear signs of wear and tear with the carpeting, the walls, and the windows up here could have been a lot cleaner. The staff were unenthusiastic. They sort of just melted into the wall as much as possible. So if you're just visiting Seattle, I would pass on this Skyview Observatory at $26 per person. Like, there's just so many free things you can do instead, like Pike Place Market, the Gum Wall, Olympic Structure Park, just hanging out at the waterfront or other parks. There's even certain days of the month when the Seattle Art Museum is free or the Amazon Spheres are free. Yeah, and free activities aside, the Space Needle is more expensive, but the Needle has a better view and just a better overall experience than this observatory. Now, if you're a local, you've done most of the other things already, maybe looking for just a one-off fun chill afternoon or maybe a special date night watching the sunset over the city, I do recommend the Skyview Observatory. All right, so thank you so much again for 700 subs. Don't forget to like and comment, and I will talk to you soon, okay?